Hello, I am Emily Beatrice Sophie Hagen. I live in Okay, go, your turn.
I'm Alexandra Anna Healer. I live in the United States of America.
I live in England.
And I have hair like Conan O'Brien.
I live in England, and I here to visit my cousin Alex right here. She's my...
She comes over from England every day. Why does my face look red? Is it red?
No, you're just tan. It's like, and I want to make her
Am I tanner than you? There's 3 seconds.
So, no, yeah, you have to start talking, whatever, in 3 seconds, you know? So it gets your voice. Anyway, my mom's boyfriend has an HP Touch Smart freaking computer, and it is pimping. Look, I'm touching the screen right now. It's doing stuff.
And it's clicking.
It's clicking. It's so awesome. Dude, maybe if I took a picture of it, like, right now, you could see it. Yeah, see, look at that. It's a freaking touchscreen computer.
You can't see it. I'll try on my pocket because it's more high tech.
I don't know. It's fucking awesome. Yeah, it's more high tech.
See? Can you see me in the screen? Look at me. Look at me. Look at my fish.
We make it.
That's me.
We make. Okay, Stella. Ooh, I can. Okay. We make this YouTube channel because we love.
You don't have to talk about it, you retard.
We love talking to American people. I am from Cuba.
You have a really weird tongue. It's like a dog.
No.
It's like a dog tongue.
I'm gonna make a song right here. You know, here you go. You stand right there, and we're gonna make a rap, bitch.
Eat my head.
Okay, here we go. Now I walk to the store and I walk to the store and get some groceries. Put that milk in my motherfucking truck. Now my trunk is like No.
Walk to the store with my airplane on. Walk to the store. I drive an airplane everywhere. I gotta talk about with airplanes. There's a guy named Dusty at Taco Bell. His name is Dusty. But he says his name isn't Dusty, but Dusty because he lies. Break it down.
Now we ain't black, but we should think we are on the inside. Now we walk to the grocery store with an airplane and smoke some weed. Now we walk to the Now we walk to the front and we walk to the back. We do some jiggle and we jiggle some back.
Jiggle.
Now you like it when I jiggle my butt up and down. You look at it and it goes like boom, boom, oh. And you get sprung.
This is the way gangsters do it.
This is the way we live. Get some
Taco Bell. This is how we do.
This is how we do.
This is how we do it.
You're so funny. Let me scooch in more.
No.
Here.
This is how we do it.
Okay, that's better. I like the way you touch me right there. I like it when you touch me on the shoulder. I like it when you touch... Dude, look, this one has a freaking...
You can see my bra through 2 of my shirts. Jesus.
Just kidding. They what? You said they were cute?
Yeah, they did when you went like that.
Dude, they did. You're weird. I don't have big boobs. Now, I have big boobs, they jiggle up and down. The double D's, yeah, double F's, double D.
Yeah, Alex, be right back. She got some nigga on her back. Now I walk to the left, talk to the right, then I jiggle some zebras up in the air, and I touch them on my head, and Alex is gonna watch this and think I'm a fucking retard, and be like, boom, chicka bong, bong, down, chicka bong. Love my girl, Ella. Her butt just go up and down, that shit go crazy. Shit's been crazy. I know it's okay. Okay. Who's awkward?
Daddy's sleeping on the bed in there.
Okay. Should we stop?
I wanted to brush my hair.
Should we stop?
If you want to stop a little bit,
Say bye.
love you.